Hello and welcome to another episode of The Average EV. Today I'm going to show you everything you want to know about your Chevy Equinox EV's door handles. Let's get into it. All right, so here are the door handles of the Chevy Equinox EV. They pop out, it's actually pretty nice, and they have a really good feel, really good quality to them. They work in a couple different ways and it's very unique. So what I'm gonna do is kind of show you all of the features here of these door handles. As you walk up to your car, the door handles will pop out. There you can see it. Now, when they pop out, the thing is, it will not unlock the doors. So you either have to pull the door to open it, the front door, or what you can do is you can tap here and it'll unlock the back door. So let me show you. When I go to open the back door, it's locked, it's not gonna open. But what I can do is I can just touch right here gently. You heard it unlock, and now I can unlock the back door. I don't actually love that feature. I just wish all the doors would unlock the same way when you open it, but that's how they have it set up. I'm not sure if it's something they can update in the future, but that's kind of how it is. Now, as you can see there, I walked away from the car and the door handles closed. Now when I walk up, they won't present again, so I'm glad it kind of did that. If you wanted to, what you do is push right here, push, they'll pop back out, and that will actually unlock all the doors. So you'll see this door is already unlocked, and then you can pull it, open it up, and you're good to go there. If you want the door handles to close, you can close it by pressing that button, or you can just simply walk away, and by proximity, the door handles will close. There it is, a beep to let you know, and then you're good to go. All right, so that's my quick little tutorial of how to use the door handles. Lots of different features. You can use them in whatever way you want, just like you can touch the back of the handle or you can pull it. Both will unlock the rear door. So pick your preference. Leave it down below how you like to use your door handles. If you haven't already, please remember to give a like, a subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will catch you all next time.